This is the Genesis G90. Combining performance and efficiency, the Genesis G90 automatic transmission provides access to 8 forward speeds and 1 reverse. Upon first entering the vehicle, press and hold the brake pedal and push the start-stop button to turn the vehicle on. In this state, the transmission gear will be in P for parking mode. To drive the vehicle forward, hold down the brake pedal and turn the shift dial clockwise to select D for drive. As a safety feature, the vehicle will automatically shift to park for safety reasons under the following conditions: when the vehicle is turned off with the gear in reverse, drive, or neutral; when the driver's door is opened with the engine running, the gear in reverse or neutral, the seatbelt unfastened, and the vehicle at a standstill; or when the driver's or front passenger's door is opened with the gear in neutral and the vehicle is turned off. To reverse the vehicle, hold down the brake pedal and turn the shift dial counterclockwise to select R. The haptic feedback function will provide a vibration alert to the driver that the vehicle is now in reverse. To put the vehicle from reverse to neutral, first hold down the brake pedal, then rotate the dial clockwise towards N. If drive is selected, hold down the brake pedal and rotate the dial counterclockwise towards N. To keep the gear in neutral while the engine is off, first make sure that the engine is off but the electronics are in ACC state. Turn off the auto hold function and release the electronic parking brake. Press the brake pedal and shift the dial to N. When the brake pedal is released, you should see a message on the LCD display. Press and hold the OK button on the steering wheel for more than 1 second. Hold down the brake pedal and press the start-stop button. To park the vehicle, hold down the brake pedal and come to a complete stop. While still holding down the brake pedal, press the park button located in the center of the dial. The Genesis G90 automatic transmission comes with a manual shift mode, where the paddle shifters behind the steering wheels are used. This feature allows the driver to change gears without taking their hands off the steering wheel. To engage, pull either one of the paddles while in drive to initiate the manual shift mode. Pulling the plus paddle will shift the gear up and the minus paddle to shift down a gear. The vehicle will return back to automatic shift mode when the plus paddle is pulled and held for more than 1 second, or when the vehicle speed is under 4 miles an hour. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.